everyone, this is John from JC Chinese, and in this video we are going to learn two new characters regarding family members. They are Shu and Gu, uncle and aunt. Alright, now please follow me, let's write those two characters together. Alright, the first character we are going to write here is Shu, uncle. Now pay attention to the stroke order. First stroke is a vertical stroke, a horizontal stroke, a horizontal stroke, and a vertical stroke with a hook, and a downward stroke to the left, and a dot. And next is a horizontal stroke with a downward turn to the left, and a downward right stroke. So how many strokes are there for this character? Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are in total 8 strokes. And its pinyin is 诗 书. The initial is 诗, and the final is 乌, and the tone is level tone. 诗 乌 书. I'm going to write it again. You can write it with me. Pay attention to the strokes. 书 书 书 and one more time. 书 This is a left-right structure character. And this part is this character's left part, and this part is this character's right part, and it means uncle. 书 Alright, next character, 姑, it means aunt. And now pay attention to the stroke order. The first stroke is a downward stroke to the left, and then an extended dot to the right, like this. Next is a downward left stroke. Next is an upward stroke, like this. And then a horizontal stroke, a vertical stroke, a vertical stroke. And next is a horizontal stroke with a downward turn and a hook. Next is a horizontal stroke. So how many strokes for gu? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. There are in total 9 strokes. and its pinyin is 歌乌姑. The initial here is 歌 and the final is 乌 and it's level tone. 歌乌姑. I'm going to write it again. You can write with me. 姑. Pay attention to the strokes. 姑. Gu. And it is also a left-right structure character. This is left part and this is right part. And it means aunt. Okay, next let's see some phrases formed by those two characters. Okay, the first phrase we are going to learn is 叔叔. 叔叔. It means uncle. And the next one, 小叔子. It is a brother-in-law. Or it is husband's younger brother. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。